This is the aluma 8218 executive tilt, new model car hauler. Aluma just released, 2024 model. It's like the old executive, has the running boards down the side. They just made this one tilt. Comes in an 18 and a 20 foot model. The 18 foot is the tilt portion of the bed. And then you got a 20-inch stationary portion up front, as well as your executive series toolbox, air dam combination. We have an extra side door added to ours, so you have a door on both sides of the toolbox. Spare tire mount inside. Bed lights shining backwards, as well as recessed bed lights in the floor. 4 or 5,000 pound dig rings are standard on all aluma car haulers. This one has the 5,200 pound axles. You can get it with 5,200 pound axles or 3,500 pound axles. All 4 fenders are removable. You can pull those on and off. LED lights all the way around. Extra running lights on the executive series. You see those on the side there. It's a gravity tilt, so you've got a hydraulic cushion to bring it down nice and easy once you drive up on it. The yellow lever will lock the hydraulics, so if you wanted to lock it in the up position or the down position, either way you can lock it there. Along with that, there's 3 extra locks on it. 2 cinch locks like this, and then just an extra safety pin right here. Uses a 2 5/16 coupler. All aluminum, lightweight construction, torsion axles.